Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy with beef stock. First, gather your essential ingredients: beef stock, flour, and a fat like butter or drippings. Make sure your beef stock is warm and full of flavor. This is key to a delicious gravy. Having everything ready before you start will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Precision in measuring helps achieve the perfect consistency every time. Now, let's create the foundation for your gravy, the roux. Melt about 2 tablespoons of your chosen fat in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour until a smooth paste forms. Continue cooking this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches a light golden brown color. This step is crucial for developing a rich, nutty flavor. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 2 cups of warm beef stock, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Keep whisking until the mixture is smooth and fully combined. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. The constant stirring ensures a silky smooth texture. Finally, it's time to season your delicious gravy. Taste and adjust with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra layer of savory depth, consider adding a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Serve your homemade beef gravy warm over mashed potatoes, roasts, or anything that needs a flavorful boost. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.